Hello, I Anand Jain from Hanumangarh, Rajasthan welcomes you to your favorite Shridevi Classes YouTube channel where we inculcate interest and confidence in science and engineering subjects. Today in our playlist of electrical estimation, we'll study what data and information are required for estimation preparation. For a good detailed estimate, we need three important things of project. Some drawing details are required, specification for material and workmanship are required, and a more important, to estimate the cost of project accurately, we need rates of all these items. So let's understand what data or information is required to prepare an estimation. To prepare a good, accurate and useful estimation for any project, some data or information is required, and to estimate, following three data or information are necessary. One is drawing details of the project. Second is specification of all material and workmanship performed in project execution. And lastly, the rates of those materials supplied and work performed. In all engineering works, whether they are civil construction, mechanical assemblies or electrical installations, drawings are used as a language to express details of project to be executed. For electrical installation work, to calculate quantities of various items and work to be performed for the project, we need a plan layout of project with all necessary details and dimensions. We need schematic wiring diagram indicating service line, metering position, main switchgear position, distribution board position, switchboards and individual electric points. And we need location of all electric switchgear, control component and utility points so that conduit tube diagram can express the pathway of wires and cables. Now these drawing details are used to find out quantities of various items or material used in electric installation and various work which we have to perform. Along with drawing indicating plan, schematic wiring, conduit plan and location of electric components, the second most important information required in electrical estimation is specification of various material and workmanship. Now the detailed specification specify the nature, quality and all technical details of material and items which are used in electric installation work. These specification not only specify physical dimension details, they also narrate safety and utility feature of material and items used in electric installation. We also need specification for class of work or quality of workmanship or detailed description of work to be executed in electric installation work. Now the specification should contain all necessary section related to electrical scope of work. Now the specification decide the quality and the cost of various material and workmanship involved in the project. So specification are very important as they define both the scope of work as well as cost of work. The drawing decide the scope of work and used to calculate quantities of different items and work to be performed. Specification decide the quality of those item and workmanship, and rates are the third most important data that is required for cost estimation of any project. In electrical installation, we use various materials, different type of works, and we need rates of all those material and item, and rate is decided as per the specification selected for that particular material and workmanship. We also need wages for various categories of labor that are required in electrical installation, and in electrical installation we need skilled supervisor, electrician, semi-skilled wiremen and unskilled helper to execute the complete installation work in a most optimum manner, and we need wages of all different categories of manpower used in electrical installation. Now these rates are generally derived from schedule of rates of some standard organization, and those rates are connected to specification of work and material to be used. Sometimes The rates are obtained by rate analysis or market survey. Now the estimated cost of project is obtained by multiplying the rates with the quantity of various items, and in this rates we add taxes, insurances prevailing at the locality of work. Moreover, the distance between project location and source of material decide the cost of transportation of material. So that cost of transportation is also added to find out cost of material at work site. Then we have to add supervisory charges, overheads, contingency and lump sum amounts to find out final total cost of project. We hope this small learning video has explained the three basic information required for preparation of electrical estimate, that are drawings, specification and rates. Our other learning video of the same playlist are equally useful to enhance your subject competency and score in examination. Our other playlists are also very useful to improve your understanding of electrical engineering. If you found these learning information useful, do share it with your friends, and if you need dedicated exam centric note support from Shridevi classes, do join the membership of this YouTube channel by a small amount that will enhance support available to your education. Happy learning, have nice time. Thank you very much.